I've been using the Sejoy water flosser, and here's why I recommend it as an excellent addition to your dental care routine. First off, it comes with 8 nozzles, making it perfect for the whole family. There are different types of nozzles for various needs. It has 5 standard nozzles for daily cleaning, a tongue cleaner which helps to remove buildup for fresher breath, a periodontal tip for gum cleaning, and an orthodontic tip helping to remove food debris and braces. It has a 360-degree rotatable nozzle design, making it super easy to clean those tricky spots that are hard to reach. It's recommended to replace the nozzle every 3 months. This water flosser offers 5 cleaning modes to suit different preferences and needs. There's a soft mode for children or first-time users, a gentle mode for sensitive gums, a normal mode for effective cleaning, and a strong mode for those who want a thorough clean. There's also a pulse mode for gum massage. I feel it's very user-friendly, especially for first-time users. The water tank is large enough for continuous flossing, and it's designed with double sealing rings to prevent water leakage. Plus, it's detachable for easy cleaning. This Sejoy water flosser does a great job cleaning in between teeth, underneath gums, and brightening your teeth. Its powerful water pressure and unique pulsation technique can reach all the areas where there is any residue remaining where traditional brushing can't. It's especially useful for those with braces. What's convenient is the built-in lithium battery, which makes it portable and rechargeable. It lasts up to 30 days on a single charge, and it only takes 4 hours to fully recharge with the included USB cable. Just a couple of tips when using this water flosser: make sure the nozzle is in your mouth before turning it on, and don't take it out of your mouth while it's running. The Sejoy water flosser is a winner in my book. It's versatile, effective, and user-friendly, making it a great addition to your oral care routine.